Alright, good afternoon everybody. Here's a new video of my green cheek conure, Peach-on. She's a cinnamon color conure, in between pineapple and cinnamon. This is her brand new house. She moved up to Beverly Hills. Yesterday I went out to a really cool exotic bird shop that I found in Jersey. Also, it was right next to the fish hut, which is an awesome fish store for your aquatic fishing hobbies. And she absolutely loves this new house. And it's like a breath of fresh air. She is very content, doesn't mind being inside of her house when we leave. Before, the other, I call that jail cell, was horrendous. It was bothering me so much. So I did everything I could to get her a nice new home. The top opens up. She's got a nice little penthouse hole there. The bottom, she's got 4 dishes. They open from the outside in, so you have good access. The locks are very good. They're a little tricky at first. It took me a couple of times. But it has a tray. Nice big tray pulls out. It's a 2-piece. The actual house sits on a cart. So my wife was very happy. That's the biggest thing. Keeping the boss happy. And Peach-on is very happy. Look at her. Oh. And, you know, that's about it. Alright? If you guys have any questions about birds, I'm not an expert, but, you know, I think I'm doing good taking care of her. She loves her different types of food, and I give her all kinds of greens. And she loves her baths, too. She's big on baths. She loves water. But that's about it. Alright? Thank you.